Hello there, the other day I was browsing the internet looking for my next watch, and then I saw a Casio that doesn't look like other Casios. So I decided to purchase it, and now it's here and I'm so glad I did it. Let's roll the unboxing. This is the Casio LCW M100DSE 1AER, Casio Lineage product line, one of their more premium offerings. This Casio offers versatile dimensions: 40mm case size, 43.8mm lug-to-lug, and 9.4mm thickness. The dial is topped with a sapphire crystal, something that is rarely seen with Casio outside of high-end G-Shocks. The case shape is a subtle octagon, with the design offering a unique look, as well as protection to the side buttons. Have you noticed there's no crown? More on that later. The highlight of this design is the dial. It's a beautiful sunburst dark gray. Casio offer a unique set of U-shaped markers. The hour, minute, and second hand are also unique to this model. It is actually refreshing to see a brand that is going for unique designs instead of relying on homages. One other unique feature of this watch is the small digital screen at the bottom of the dial. This plays a huge part in the features of the watch, which we'll briefly touch on in a moment. Overall, the design is very attractive. I personally fell in love with it, and it is definitely a watch that you will be looking at repeatedly during that honeymoon period. Speaking of looking, can you look for that like button and tick it for me? I really appreciate it. Now to the exciting part. Which features does this watch offer? This is a solar movement, which recharges the battery with natural and artificial light. Remember I said there's no crown, right? Well, you don't have to set the time or the date. The alarmic watches are spread around the world will do it for you. This watch is radio controlled. It has a receiver inside that allows it to connect to the nearest signal point to set time automatically. You can ask it to set the time and date manually, or let it do it by itself, usually every night at a specific hour. You can also disable that feature and set the time manually using the digital display. After you set the time in the display, the hands will move automatically, which in of itself is very satisfying. Other features this watch offers: a LED light to illuminate the dial, although it is not as strong as it could be. The lume on the indices and hands is decent. A world time function, a stopwatch, a timer, 5 daily alarms, multi-language display, automatic calendar date, day and month. With all that in mind, there is no doubt about this watch's timekeeping accuracy. You almost don't have to do anything. The pros are the original design of the case and the dial, great dimensions that should accommodate many wrist sizes, digital display to show other things such as day, date, month. The second hand hits every marker on the dot. There is no misalignment, at least in the model I got. The cons: the LED light could be a bit brighter and more spread in the dial. To ask the watch to set itself up, you need to be next to a window, in a balcony, or outside to get the best signal. Overall, I am very happy with this watch, so much so that I didn't take it off my wrist for one moment since I bought it, and I have a lot of watches that I really love in my collection. In terms of wearability, personally, with my 6.5-inch wrist, I find this watch perfect for the size. It wears perfectly and it is also very comfortable. Would I recommend this watch? Absolutely. It is amazing how much value you get for the money you pay. I can talk about this watch all day and I cannot do it justice. You really have to try it for yourself. If this video helped you in any way make a better purchasing decision, consider giving it a like and also subscribe to the channel. Take care.